Excited to announce that my YouTube vlog is starting soon. A vlog about learning how to use the internet and e-commerce to make money for people in their 50s or even 40s or 60s or 70s. I'm going to endeavour to do the hard work of finding out all the side hustles and all the income streams so you don't have to. You can just follow along and we'll build a community together and maybe we'll make a bit of money. I'm going to use my skills in NLP and timeline therapy to help develop the right mental attitude in order to make a big success out of working and living off passive income streams on the internet. Journey together, build a community, and work out how to unpack those side hustles and find out which ones actually work and which ones we can actually make a little bit of money out. Let's also learn how to become healthier and stronger in order to really make this journey count. I'll demonstrate my personal health journey over the last 12 to 18 months that transformed my life from basically couch-ridden to being able to do pretty much whatever I want. Join my community and let's have some fun together. Let's get healthy, let's get smart, and let's make some money. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and most of all, share this link. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you all at Bliss 2050 AD on YouTube. 57 years old, starting a vlog. Crazy stuff.